How to create a stream of cash flow and increase your net worth. Even Taylor Swift's cat, Olivia Benson, has a net worth of $97 million, and Taylor Swift is reportedly worth $1 billion. Now, I'm not greedy, but I am all about more freedom, more control over my life, more opportunities, and more income streams. Best way I know to get more in life is by having a large, responsive email list. Steve Perkins has created a new way to make cash flow: jackpot traffic games. Now, it's not a casino. At first glimpse, it looks like it, but it is not a casino. It is a traffic website to increase your traffic, to send people to your affiliate offers, and help you make a lot more money. If you follow my link just below this video, you can test it out free and try it out for yourself. See what you think. I'm quite wrapped in it. It's quite addictive. Just click the first link below this video. Here I am in New Zealand, Jeff Dodd. Use our free advertising and you'll be amazed at the results for your affiliate marketing. It's incredible. Free advertising is in the text description below the video. I'm Jeff Dodd in New Zealand.